Welcome to my YouTube channel, Greenhouse Chemistry class. In this video, today we are going to see about how pH paper is changing its color. The pH scale, which is nothing but it is negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. The pH scale ranges between 1 to 14. If the pH is neutral, then the pH will be 7. If it is indicating less than 7, it is acidic pH, and if it is greater than 7, it is alkaline pH. Suppose you have a solution in front of you, you want to know whether it is acidic or basic. You can just dip a pH paper into it. If it is turning red in color, it indicates that it is an acid, and the pH will be below 7. And if the pH is above 7, or if the pH paper turns bluish green, then it is alkaline solution. If you take lemon juice, it is having a lower pH ranging between 2 to 3, and neutral water will have a pH of 7. If it is soap solution, it will have a pH above 9, and ammonia solution will have a higher pH. It will be indicated by a blue color and it will be having pH 11. This pH paper, all papers will not change color. By dipping into any solution, the pH will not be indicated by every paper, but pH paper is specifically indicating the color because pH paper is impregnated with a substance which is extracted from the red cabbage, and that is nothing but it is the flavin. Flavin is the anthocyanin which is soluble in water, and it is responsible for the color change in the pH paper. Not only from red cabbage, this flavin can also be extracted from berries like strawberries and blueberries. Most of the foods are acidic when we cook it. Therefore, it is always ideal to consume raw. Thank you for watching.